What's up, my little writers? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome to my channel. If you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment down below, and hit the notification bell so that you can be notified every single time I upload a video. And that's also how you become an official low rider. You guys, today I'm working on week 4 of my revamping and restyling 5 wigs over 2 years old that are my personal wigs. So here's what I'm going to be styling, you guys. Body wave, and usually I always get wavy hair. Got a center part. I'm not going to curl it because I want her curls to last, her waves to last, because sometimes it doesn't do that when you put heat to it. So let me let her down a little bit for you guys. Not for you guys, for me, heck. And I'm trying to figure out how I'm going to do her. I was thinking I was going to take this part out the center. Let me pin her down. Y'all always end up doing this and not pinning it. Let me get these pins. T-pins. Pin her on here. I'm trying to hit around. Make sure the thing is all right. And I'm not even a center part girl, but for this wig, the center part worked for me. It was nice. And this is a 5x7. Let me put a pin in the back too. Why she looking mean, y'all? Did she look mean to you guys? So now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to spray her. No, I might not spray her until I'm finished. But I like this wig. This is a good one. I like this one. And this is one that I made. I can't tell you where the hair is from because, like I said, these wigs are over 2 years old and they were in a bag. So yeah. Let me get ready and get everything together, which I should have had together anyway, so that I can style her. Get some clips out. That should have been done too. This is what I do, so I know dang well I should have had it done. So this is what I usually spray my wigs with when they're wavy like that. I mix water with conditioner, spray it on there, and I'm gonna do that the last part. But for now, I'm just trying to see how I'm gonna style her. I was thinking like a little high pony. Yep. A high pony with it coming over, or I can put a couple of braids on the side, like right here. No, I ain't gonna do all that because I have another one I could do that too. Yeah, I'm about to put this high pony in here. Yeah, I think that's gonna be cute. Leave some of this hair out to cover this closure up for sure. What y'all think? Yep. A high pony. And then put some little curls in it because the closure is never really like it's supposed to be when you do that. Okay, hold up. Let me get my stuff. Okay, my little riders, I'm getting ready to style this, and I'm just doing a voiceover. I'm gonna curl this ponytail with my one curler, and yeah, let's see how this turns out. Let's see, you guys. I come around, make my rounds, it's my town. You know I got it. Hey. When I'm round, they now. What's up now? This touchdown. Like, hey, niggas from city be hating them niggas, don't show me no love. Hey, it is what it is, cause I'm brushing my shoulders, walk off with a shrug.
Ay, the shit is a dub. Ay, the shit is a dubsy. Ay, why am I all in my feelings when I got these people that love me? Ay, I cannot feel none you niggas, I only feel one that's above me. Ay, come for me quick and I promise my niggas won't make it get ugly. Ay, the shit is a dub. Ay, the shit is a dubsy. Ay, why am I all in my feelings when I got these people that love me? You know I got it. I pull up, I come around, make my rounds, it's my town. You know I got it. Ay, when I'm round, they now, what's up now, this touchdown. You know I got it. I pull up, I come around, make my rounds, it's my town. You know I got it. Ay, when I'm round, they now, what's up now, this whatever touchdown. You want, then I'm with it. Ay, down for the cause, I'm committed. Ay, these niggas be causing the scene. Ay, I'm just perfecting the image. Ay, shit, now the game is a scrimmage. Ay, I just been pushing the limits. Ay, don't got no hoes on my team. Ay, all of my niggas is killers. Ay, all of my niggas is squad. Really been down for the cause. No fake shit, no fake friends. Can't say the same about y'all. I'm minding my business and staying committed. I'm treating this shit like a job. I'm running the muck and I'm caught in the clinic. I don't do this shit for applause. Yeah, you know I got it. I pull up, I come around, make my rounds, it's my town. You know I got it. Ay, when I'm round, they now, what's up now, this touchdown. You know I got it. I pull up, I come around, make my rounds, it's my town. You know I got it. Ay, when I'm round, they now, what's up now, this touchdown.
Okay, my lords, I was trying to figure out if I was going to curl the whole head or just the ponytail part. So I decided to curl the whole head, but for now I'm just going to let you guys see me curling the back only. And I decided to curl the whole head because I'm going to do two styles with this. I'm going to do it with the ponytail, and then I'm going to take the ponytail down and wear it down. So for right now, sit back, relax, and watch me curl the back of this over 2-year-old wig.
그랬었길 바랬던 예전 소원 이룬 날 너의 문자 사탕 같은 말 숨길 수 없는 payday 고소한 coffee yes we go on and on collect them all but I don't care what they say I like it I go la 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 I like it I just want stage is fine, yeah, yeah. I like it, I go la 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 la. I like it, I just want. Oh baby, say it and make it.
Okay, my lords, I am done putting the wand curls in his hair, and I'm just gonna secure it with some hairspray. Lay these baby hairs down. I can take this off now. You guys, this glove works really good with the wand curls, keeping your hand I'm going to do this off camera because this light in my eyes is a bit much. But this is it, you guys. Let me show you guys the back. Curls. This is cute. And I could even wear it with this ponytail thing down and going to one side. This is pretty. I'm gonna do it like this, and then I'm gonna take it down and show you guys what it looks like just curled. Hold up, let me cut this rubber band out. But it's cute, huh? Let me get a picture like this. Okay, make sure I got it. Okay guys, I took the rubber band out and I'm on some grown woman type ish right here. This is cute, okay? Okay, Lola. What y'all think? Now you guys, this is the end of the review. The video for unit number 4, revamping and restyling my old wig that's 2 years old or older. Tell me what you guys think about it. So far, I think this one is the best. I really think this one is the best. So with that being said, I'll see y'all on day 5 for wig number 5. And don't forget to subscribe.